This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, a pocket-sized camera with professional-level power. Don't let its small size fool you. It packs a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor, giving you stunning 4K footage at up to 120 frames per second. That means ultra-smooth slow motion and incredible low-light performance that most compact cameras simply can't match. The 2-inch fully rotatable touchscreen makes it effortless to switch between landscape and portrait, perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or cinematic vlogging. And unlike bulky cameras, the Osmo Pocket 3 stabilizes every shot with its 3-axis gimbal, so you can run, skate, or travel without shaky footage. It even has ActiveTrack 6.0, keeping your face or subject perfectly in focus. And advanced audio recording with built-in stereo microphones for crystal clear sound. This is not just a pocket camera. It's a portable filmmaking tool that can replace gear many times its size. If you want to level up your content creation, this might just be your best investment. Check the link in the description for the best deals on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 today.